Hi friends, I'm White Panther and I help developers build stuff, learn things and love what they do. Today I'm building my first NPM package live on Twitch. What could go wrong? If you like what you see, don't forget to click the buttons below, smash the like button, subscribe. I keep trying to record YouTube videos and I fail. I can't do it without people. I feel like such a buffoon. Let's get to the video. NPM, node modules. This is what we have. So for those of you who have been in the last few streams, we've been building the random code generator. What I want to do is take all the functionality from the random code generator and put it in a package so anyone can use it. Here is some documentation on how to create a node module. So what we need to do is take all of the functionality from the random code generator, move it to a node module, install the node module in the random code generator, and just consume it. This utility will walk you through creating a package.json file. This is my package name. Random code, version 1. Need some code for your project? We got you covered. Choose your language, choose how much code, bam! Entry point, index.js. Test command, no test command. Git repository, don't have one yet. Keywords, random, author, White Panther and friends. License, MIT. Is this okay? Yes. I don't know why I'm scared. Git init, GH repo create. I just want to do an add license. For scoped public packages, use npm publish access public. Okay, I'm logged in. Create the npm scope under your account. So we go to npm now. Look, random code. npm I White Panther random code. Yay! Did it add it? Let's go to package.json. Look at that, White Panther random code. Now we move all this code to the npm package. We need all of that. And that is all of our functionality. So I think I want to make that the index. Exports.getRandomCode equals function. Do you want to publish your own npm module and you want to write that code in ES6? Yes, I do. Here are the challenges that you will encounter. We need to have a way to compile our code from ES6 to ES 2015 so it's compatible with anyone's code. Okay, I mean, it's a great day. Touch.babel rc. Presets, ES 2015. See, not so bad, is it? Apparently. Okay, build. Right, I can do this. Now when we run npm run build from the command line, Babel will compile our source and place it into dist. It'll ask me to tell index.js, grab whatever is in dist and make it available. So I need to move this is the random code generator. Rename random code generator. Let's create a source. Here is my ES6 code. Watch as Babel magically puts our code into the dist folder. Are you ready for that? Let's see. Hey, that worked. Fixed the code. Here's the big question. How do we test this code? Let's use npm link, right? To stop this nonsense. We're going to create a link between this modules folder and another folder on our desktop. We can test it out locally before we publish it. Well, I've already published it, so whatever. Then change to the project I want it in. npm link White Panther random code. Okay. Looks like it's linked. npm run dev. Okay, then we do an npm run build again. We stop that. Okay, this is easy. Now we can test it. We're gonna win, everybody. It compiled successfully. It compiled successfully. I think it worked. It's getting it. 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 So you're saying I can integrate this on my site? Yes, Crazy Alex. That is the point. We're going to change the format of how the code is returned. Oh, the random code is just all lol. How about that for efficiency? Okay. Yep. 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 There it is. Install package, get random code, profit. All right, I did it. This has been completely useless as a YouTube video though. So we did all of the intro completely for nothing.